Sup, internet? Guess what I got in my mouth? A whole lot of humbug love. Yes. Okay. So yesterday, I got some footage down one of my friend's house, and yeah, it's quite funny. And you know, I thought I'd upload it, but I had to say a few words before I did. Unfortunately, during the fireworks display, halfway through the video, I realised I didn't have my light on, which means that half of the stuff is just voice. I apologise for this, but it will be an audio experience and then a little bit of a visual experience. We've also got a little bit of a Settlers of Catan stop motion. I'll throw up a little caption just before the video goes into stop motion. Hopefully it'll work. I haven't really tried this kind of thing before, so it's going to be new for me, and if it does work, then cool, and if it doesn't work, then oh well, at least I tried. Hey, well, I hope you enjoy it, and we'll get on with that. So here it comes. Welcome to the vlog, welcome to the vlog, welcome to the vlog, Great Fishes vlog. Internet? What? What are you doing looking at an angry bird? Oh my God, I don't know. I tell you what, you like games too much. Seriously.
I think the moon is scared.
Look at that little dot up there. It's the moon looking down on our fireworks. And he's scared.
Okay, ready,
yeah, go.
ready.
Yeah, right, here we go. Here we go now. Doing it with a lighter, and we're ready to run. We're ready to run now. Here we go. Ignition.
Go.
Ignition. Out of me. Get the shit out of me. Don't do it again. No, don't do it again. Actually, do it again. Okay, here goes another one. Yeah. We'll wait till the faceless person who's doing the fireworks gets away. And I just saw the moon. I can't see. Oh, there it is. Oops, there it is. I'm missing a lot of these.
I can see that. I can do it.
Right.
So I'll do it. Sure.
I have to do commentary so people don't get bored. I mean, I got to talk. And do you want to talk to YouTube? Say hello to YouTube.
Hi.
39 subscribers. You're now famous. Right. That's if we can see us. I don't know if we can see. It's probably going to be really dark. Can you see me? Are you blind? Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Right. Oh, what? I can't see it. It's too dark up here. Yeah, me too.
Oh, oh, oh. Yeah. Oh.
Stinks by you know.
Welcome
to an undisclosed location where we're setting off some fireworks. That's better, isn't it? Don't you think so? We'll have to edit that. And if you crap yourself, well, think about me. I'm here, and we've only got ground and a little metal sheet. Oh, and the fireworks are in a cardboard box, which is almost funny. No, it's funny. It's safe. It's safe. Absolutely. It's absolutely safe, isn't it? Hey, let's enjoy more.
It's a rocket. Where'd it go?
Well, what's next? What's next?
What's it called?
Say it in a really gruff voice so no one understands who you are.
I'm gonna go safe. If anything goes wrong, I'll fish
this one's called Run and Hide. Stratosphere. Oh right, it's called Stratosphere apparently, so it's called Run and Hide Stratosphere. Brackets.
You should be able to see me now.
We can see you.
Hey, what? Oh, there's another one. Here comes another one.
Here comes
If you couldn't see me
another
before, I'm completely, really sorry.
The finale.
It's quite on fuse, so you need to run. Here we go.
one.
Run. Oh my God! Yeah. Stop. Okay, that was a fun one, and while the faceless guy was doing the fireworks was starting to kill me. It's November the 5th, I think. It's 4th, 5th?
No, 5th.
The 5th, November the 5th. The 5th of November, gunfire, treason and plot.
I see no reason why gunfire, treason should never be forgot.
Thank you. Peace, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that, and stay safe.
Okay, that was Settlers of Catan. It came close. I was actually going to win, and then Mike pulled out the post and actually put down a settlement, which won the game. So Mike is the winner of that, and I hope you enjoyed the stop motion play as we went through. Hopefully it'll work.